Hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel today and welcome to Vlogmas 2024. Today I'm making some taco meat. I'm going to put it in the crock pot because I'm getting a late start because I did a video on my Sam's home delivery and I had a lot of stuff. So I just put all of that stuff away and I looked, I'm like, it's almost 3 o'clock and I want to have some tacos ready. So we're gonna do some crock pot taco meat. And I got this 80-20 ground chuck. And I'm going to go on and break down. Let me put these sour creams in here. I had these in the other refrigerator. So I like to have something ready for when hubby gets home. And I want it to be good and hot. So I'm going to rinse this off. What I'm doing, I have my cast iron skillet over here and I'm heating that up. We're going to cut this down. And let's see, how much do I want? I want to prep my crock pot. This is my smaller crock pot here. Now you don't have to brown it, but that's just me. I have enough time to brown the ground meat. Okay, let's see. I want to wipe it out. Let's see, where is my knife? I want about 1.5 pounds. This is, how many pounds? This is under about 9.5 pounds. That's why it was cheaper. I like these. They make it so much easier to manage. Okay, let's see. So let's go on and brown this. Yeah, that's a lot going on up in here. I don't have room on this. If you see a bunch of stuff out here, because I still have to put up stuff from my haul. I got everything in the fridge and the freezer. So this is how much I cut off. So it's gonna let this cook down. Get it really hot. I need to see, because I've been dealing with hamburgers since I was like 10 or 11 years old. So I'm used to browning, so I'm going to always brown it on the stove. Let me see, while I'm here, I'm going to cut down a couple of patties. I'll wait. Looks like it's about to be a mess. Let me cut down another. this like, I'm going to like pack this up for another round. If I want to make some chili or something like that. I think I'll do a video with you guys when I kind of like, when I pack up my meats, put everything away, and I have to find my vacuum sealer. Okay, I'm gonna get this going, then I'll come back in just a moment. Okay, family, the ground beef is browned, and this is why I like to go on and cook it outside of the crock pot, because you get so much oil. Even though it's 80-20, you know, you get some oil. So I can pour this off and have my, and when I put it in the crock pot, it'll be good to go. So most of the oil will be rendered. So I'm rendering it now. I'm at the sink. Okay, that's about 8 ounces of oil that came off of this. So I didn't want all of that, and it's hard to get it out of the crock pot. So and I didn't dice it really heavy. Let's see, there's more. So go on and get that going. Looking for a spatula. So this, I have an hour and a half. So this will cook nicely for an hour and a half. Okay, I'm going to turn it up to high. And here's my taco seasoning. It's like a tablespoon of, put a tablespoon of everything. Tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, salt. So, it's my homemade taco seasoning. Go on and break it down a little more. I love the hamburger you get from Sam's Club. Yes, ma'am. That's on point, baby. Yes, ma'am, it is. Just a second. Now, since it's going to be in the crock pot for a couple of hours, I'm going to add this salsa, tomato sauce. It's fire roasted tomato salsa. It's good cooking salsa. I'm going to put the whole can in there. And then a little water. Your girl be busy around here, y'all. Since I've been retired, honey. But this morning I got up, changed the linens on the bed. And did some laundry. Did a couple of videos, edited those. All before my delivery came, because if I would have had to go to the Sam's Club, I wouldn't have been able to get all this done today. So I'm loving grocery delivery because growing up, I mean, I'm in my 60s now. You know, we just didn't have that growing up. So, hey, good. That's good. All right. So that's our taco meat in the crock pot. And it's going to go for an hour and a half on high. Okay, guys? Want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Oh, that's a junk over there. I don't want you to see the junk. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Oh, as usual, I forget to do. We got one more thing to do because it's Vlogmas. Okay, it's Vlogmas. So we have to do our 12 socks of Christmas. That closes out the video on Vlogmas. I put that stain there. Okay. Here's this one. Cute. Just some stripes. Just some good old Christmas stripes. Thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in for Vlogmas. I appreciate your support. And I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget, you can put your taco meat in the crock pot. Save you some time. All right, guys. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right, guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.